Good morning. This is Manoj Jain and welcome you all in IndiaNivesh Commodity Research Update. We have seen buying in gold and silver prices in yesterday's session after IMF cuts global growth outlook by 0.1% for the year 2020. And due to the fresh tensions in Middle East, we have seen buying in both the precious metals in international markets. Gold prices test $1,560 per troy ounce in international market, while silver prices also test $18.10 per troy ounce in yesterday's session. Even in domestic market, gold prices test 40,000 odd levels in yesterday's session, and silver prices also made a high of 46,880. After IMF revised global growth outlook for 2020 by 0.1% to 3.2%, we expect both the precious metals will remain firm, and if gold prices sustain above $1,560 per troy ounce in international market, could extend rally towards 1,568 $1,572 per troy ounce again. Silver prices also sustain above $18 per troy ounce, could extend rally towards 18.1 at $18.40 per troy ounce again in international markets. Even in domestic market, we have seen gold prices hold 39,800 odd levels in yesterday's session. We expect the prices sustain above 39,800, could extend rally again towards 40,050 to 40,150 levels in domestic markets. One should keep stop loss around 39,600 odd levels in domestic market in long position in gold. Silver prices also hold 46,500 odd levels in domestic markets, and if prices sustain above 46,800 odd levels, could extend rally towards 47,100 to 47,400 levels again. Stop loss of 46,400 could be placed in long position of silver. In crude oil prices, we have seen range bound trade in yesterday's session. However, prices show some gains in early trading session yesterday due to the tensions in Libya, and prices crossed $59 per barrel in international markets. Even in domestic market, we have seen prices test the 222 odd levels in intraday session. But after IMF cuts global growth outlook, we have seen profit taking in the prices at higher levels. We expect the crude oil prices remain trade in the range of $57 per barrel on the lower side and $60 per barrel on the higher side in international markets. Even in domestic market, if prices sustain over 4,150 odd levels, could test 4,200 to 4,250 levels again. 4,140 act as a major supports for crude oil prices in domestic market, and only prices slips below this level could show some weakness towards 4,100 odd levels again in domestic markets. In base metal prices, we have seen range bound trade in yesterday's session after IMF cuts global growth outlook. We have seen sideways trade in entire base metal package. Copper prices show some weakness in yesterday's session in international market, and even in domestic market, resistance level of 457 is unable to breach, and we have seen prices test 455 levels again. IMF cuts global growth outlook could show some pressure on the base metal prices in today's session, and copper prices could again test the 6,250 to $6,220 per metric ton odd levels at LME. Even in domestic market, if prices slips below 455 odd levels, could test the supports level of 450 to 450 again. 457 act as a major resistance for copper prices in domestic markets. Nickel prices show some strength in yesterday's session and breached 1033 resistance level in intraday trade. If prices sustain above this level, could test the 1045 1055 levels. Else, prices slips below 1033 could test the supports level of 1018 1014 levels again. In agriculture commodities, we have seen mixed trend in yesterday's session as edible oil and oilseeds shows recovery after a free fall in last week, and due to the positive global cues, we have seen a gains of around 2% in refined soya oil and CPO prices in yesterday's session. Refined oil prices breached the resistance level of 888 in domestic market and test the highs of 898 in yesterday's session. We expect the prices remain firm and expected to hold the supports level of 888, and if the prices sustain above This level could extend rally towards 904, 912 again. Soybean prices also shows a strength of around 1% in yesterday's session and across 4,200 odd levels in yesterday's session. If prices sustain above 4,250, could extend rally towards 4,300 to 4,320 odd levels. 4,200 to 4,180 act as a major support for soybean in domestic markets. We have seen pressure in China prices due to the expectation of higher production and prices slips below 4,300 odd levels in domestic market. We expect prices could test the 4,100 to 4,050 levels again. Guar seed and guar gum prices also shows weakness in yesterday's session, and spices peg also shows weakness. Uh, as Jira prices slips below 15,000 odd levels in domestic market, could extend fall towards 14,700 levels again. Coriander prices also slips below 7,000 odd levels in domestic market, and if prices sustain below 6,850, could extend the fall towards 6,650 levels again. Cotton prices also shows weakness in yesterday's session. We expect the prices could hold the supports level of 19,500 to 19,600 zone in domestic market. For more updates on commodity research, keep watching Indian Nivesh research update on Telegram channel. Thank you.